Before we learn about pagination, let's correct something here. So here in this route, I said that the convention is to use the method name as delete. I made a mistake again, sorry about that. This code is okay, it will not break, it will work okay. So if you want, you can use this, there's no any harm. But the convention is not to use the method as the name delete. So if you go to the documentation, these are the conventions. So for the delete, you use the destroy method. So when using resource controllers, this will be destroy. So let's fix that. So I'll come here and I'll change this to destroy, save, then go to the controller, change it there as well from delete to destroy, save, go to the blog where we've used that. So where is it? Control F, delete. Here we go. So it's not delete, it should be destroy. Then save, and it should work as before. So if I go back here and refresh, then try to delete a blog post. So I'll delete this. Let's see if it's working, and it's working. So that's it for that. So now let's go ahead and learn about pagination. Now I've added some posts. So I think I have like 15 or 12 blog posts. And if you have like 100 blog posts, then when you visit your page, you are rendering all the blog posts at the same time. That will be very expensive and it will make your application to be slow. So to fix that, we need to paginate these blog posts so that in each page we can have a certain number of blog posts. So maybe you may want each page to have 10 blog posts or 20 blog posts or 15 blog posts. So for this tutorial, we are going to make each page to have 4 blog posts, and to do that is very easy in Laravel. So we'll just go to the controller, blog controller, then where we are rendering the blog posts, here we are the index to the blog post view. So here, before getting them, instead of getting them, we'll just say paginate, and then inside the method we will pass the number of posts we want per page. So here we will work with 4 in our case. Then I'll copy this, copy, then here I'll do the same, then save, go back to the browser, refresh, and now each page, this page has only 4 blog posts. Let me comment this out since we are not using it now. So I'll go to the view. This is hard coded, so I'll just comment it out for now, save, refresh, and now we just have 4 blog posts. Now to display the pagination pages links here, it's very easy. You just go to your view, you go where you want to render those pages, then we will say we have posts, then we want to get the links. So we will use the links method, then save. Let's go back and refresh, and now we have the pagination links, but they don't look good because by default Laravel is using Tailwind CSS. So this is the previous page, this is the next page. So to make this look good, let's provide what we call it, the Tailwind CSS CDN. So I'll go to layout, and then I'll uncomment this. So now we have Tailwind CSS in our project. So save. So if I refresh, now we have a better, now it's looking better. So you go to page 2, it takes you to another page, and notice the URL will tell you we're in page 2. You go to page 3, you see more posts, and it's also telling you we are showing you 9 to 12 of 17 results, the results that we have in your database. That's it for pagination. That's how you do it. Next, let's see how we can customize this view to our liking. If this video has been of any help to you, kindly consider supporting my work by subscribing, leaving a comment and a like. Cheers.